Hey folks, welcome to another HeroPress tip of the week. This week I'm going to show you how to quick edit your posts, which is different from normal editing. Let me show you what I mean. This is my posts page, and you'll note that there's an edit link here and a quick edit. Edit does exactly what you think. It loads up this page so that I can edit it. However, quick edit just opens this little thing up. And there are some things that I can edit in this post and other things that I can't. For example, I could change the title or the slug. I could change the release date. I could set it to be password protected or private. I can remove categories and I can choose some that are already existing, but I can't create new categories like you can inside a post. But for tags, it's just a text field and they're comma separated, so you can create new ones here. I can turn off comments for this post, and I can turn off pings, and you can set the status. So setting it to draft would essentially unpublish it. And then I can make this post sticky. Now, notable things that are missing are the featured image. You can't mess with that. And the excerpt, and a whole host of other things like Yoast or anything else you might have added on. Then when you're ready, you simply click Update. But there's one more cool thing I can show you. If you click this and select multiples, then go to Edit and Apply, now we're editing multiple posts. Now again, this is even more restricted. You remember that Goodnight Moon is in space travel, but space travel is not selected here. So if I leave it unselected, it's not going to mess with this. But if I check it, then it's going to add it to this one, etc. Now I can't remove uncategorized from Hello World because it's already unchecked. You can still add tags to all of them, and you can set the author on all of them and change the comment status on all of them. Post status is really great because say you've got 10 posts you want to unpublish. You just check them all, go into quick edit and set them all to draft, and they're unpublished. Same for pings and sticky. So let's set them all to draft. There we are. Now they're all draft. And then I can go back in and set the status to published. You'll note that I can't edit the date on any of them. It's going to publish right now. And there they are, published. So quick edit can save you quite a bit of time on certain things. There are other things that it just doesn't work for. So check it out the next time you need to very quickly change a post. I hope you find this useful.